Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today, I'm going to share with you a vegetarian dish. I'm going to make Sinqua. This is very delicious sabji. I'm going to use 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, peel it, cut into small pieces, water ready. As we cut it, we're going to put it inside so the vegetable don't get discolored. Olive oil, garlic, ginger and green chili paste. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. Cilantro and the spices, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seed, cumin powder. Each one of them 1 teaspoon each. I'm going to peel it. These are the long ones, so it's a good idea to cut it right in the middle and then we start peeling. Then it's easier, just like this. Once it's peeled, I'm going to discard the front end and the same thing we're going to do it on the back end. When we're going to cut it, we're going to cut like less than 1 inch thick. It's a good idea. Cut right in the middle half and then cut other side like a 4 pieces. This is a perfect size. Place it in cold water. And I'm going to do the same, just like that. And I'm going to finish doing the same with the other, going to peel it, cut into small pieces. Sinqua, cut into small pieces, and we're going to drain it, and it's all ready to make sabji. Onion, tomato, cilantro is cut, and let's start making our delicious sabji. Get a fry pan, and I'm going to start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'll bring cumin seed, jeera, and we're going to cook it like 10 seconds. This is good enough. Ginger, garlic, green chili paste, 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to just cover with this flatter screen. And to mix it, we're just going to cook it like 20 seconds. Now I'm going to bring onion. Now we're going to mix it well, and we're going to cook our onion. Cooking our onion for 2 minutes. This is how it looks. This is all we need. And now I'm going to bring the tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, mix it well. Now I'm going to bring the gas on medium. And we're going to bring the spices. Salt, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder. We're going to mix it well. In this vegetable, I'm not adding turmeric powder. That's optional if you want to add, but please try without it. Nicely combined. Cover with the lid. We're going to cook for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes. We'll open it. Mix it. Our spices are nicely cooked. They are tender. You can mash it like this. And now I'm going to bring the vegetable. Mix it well. Once the vegetable is nicely mixed with the tadka, we're going to spread it evenly on medium gas. Cover with the lid, cook for 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes with the closed lid, and we're going to open it. Mix it. If we check our sabji, it's firm. It still needs cooking. After mixing it well, I'm going to spread it evenly. We cover with the lid and we're going to cook additional 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes of cooking on medium gas. I'm going to turn the fan on and I'll open it. It's looking really delicious. This vegetable is very tasty. If you notice there is no more moisture, it starts to release the oil. If you see the oil is oozing out, I'll bring good amount of cilantro. After mixing really well, and I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving Turai ready. And look at this. Delicious sabji. And I will share with you. Our quick and easy sabji is all ready and it's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it. Please let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.